Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial on how to disable all the extra security using Microsoft Excel 2013-2016. Well, all these features you can actually find in all the Microsoft Excel versions as far as I can remember from 2007 onwards. So from about 2007 to 2016, these rules do apply. Now, these disabling of these security features are only done if you're running some Excel spreadsheets or calculators or anything with a formula or a macro that needs to be run that these security features do block on occasion. So the first step that we do is we go to File, and under File we have Options. We go to Options. Then within Options we need to go to Trust Center. Within Trust Center we've got Trust Center Settings. Click on that. Now we get another window. Now we can start from the top. There are a few sections. There's ActiveX, there's Macro, Protected, and External Content. Okay, so we start with ActiveX. What we do is we say enable all controls. Okay, so we enable all controls. It will tell you that this is not recommended because of security reasons, but you enable it so that your spreadsheet, calculator, anything with a macro needs to run. So enable that. Then we go down to macro settings. We enable all macros. We go to protected view. We disable all the protected view settings. And then we go to external content. Over here, we basically say enable. So anything that says not recommended is what we switch it to. We switch that to that, and then we click OK. Click OK again. And then for it to take effect, you have to close down Excel and then go back into your calculator, the macro spreadsheet, and run what you want to run, and it will work. Any questions, leave a comment underneath the YouTube video and just let us know. Thanks for watching.